I'm with the Florida Small Business Legal Center. This is part of the business legal series videos that I'll be publishing once a week, talking about various topics and small business law that, in my opinion, affects small business owners. Today I want to talk about commercial leases. Often I get questions from prospective clients and they ask me, Rich, do I need an attorney to review a commercial lease? And my answer to that obviously is yes, and I want to share with you why. Commercial leases are very complex legal documents that most likely were drafted by a very experienced attorney on behalf of the landlord. You see, the landlord purchases this property with the objective to renting it to tenants to maximize his or her profit. So the commercial lease already drafted by an experienced attorney has clauses in that lease designed to maximize and try to get as much money from the tenant as possible, legally possible, of course. You as a tenant, a prospective tenant, you want to level the playing field by having an attorney review that lease for you. Now, there are a couple of items that I believe you should look for in leases and that term sheet that you most likely will receive from the property manager or from the landlord. Number one, look at obviously the monthly rent. How much you're going to be paying for that rent every month. Number two, look for other charges such as what is commonly known as CAM, Community Association charges. How often are those charges? What is the amount of the charges that you have to pay? Find that information. Find information about how long is the lease. If it's a 3-year lease, 5-year lease, 10-year lease. The length of the lease is very important because remember, you have to multiply the monthly rent, the CAM, any taxes you may have to pay, times the number of months that you have signed up for that lease or prospective lease. So you're talking about a very, very significant cost that you'll be incurring in your business. Last but not least, I will look at whether or not you got to sign a personal guarantee. That's very important. If you're trying to do business from a business perspective, as a business, you may not want to enter in a personal guarantee. At the very least, you want to make sure that you know whether or not you're signing one and the implications of signing one. Of course, this is not a comprehensive analysis of lease agreements, but at least gives you an introduction to how important lease agreements are for your business and how important it is to get the proper guidance before you enter into one. Again, my name is Rich Sierra, and remember, my goal is to help you succeed. Thank you.